Secure coding practices, building a fortified digital world. In our interconnected world, secure coding is crucial. It's about developing software resilient to digital threats. Secure coding is our first defense against cyber attacks and data breaches. It's vital for data protection, system reliability, and maintaining an organization's reputation. Secure code safeguards sensitive data, ensuring software system integrity and preventing security incidents that could tarnish an organization's reputation. Best practices include input validation to prevent attacks, avoiding hard-coded credentials, and proper error handling. Utilize trusted security libraries, keep third-party dependencies updated, and implement secure session management. Secure coding is an ongoing process. Stay updated on emerging threats, adapt security best practices, and have a well-defined incident response plan. Secure coding is the foundation of a safer digital world. By integrating security into your development process, you can build software that withstands digital threats. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on cybersecurity.